Bach flower remedies are thought to help balance emotional state and are commonly recommended by practitioners for psychological problems and pain. These are solutions of brandy and water, the water containing extreme dilutions of flower material developed by Edward Bach. He was an English homeopath. In the 1930s, he claimed that the dew found on flower petals retains the supposed healing properties of that plant. However, systematic reviews of clinical trials of these solutions have found no efficacy beyond a placebo effect. First time I heard about them, it was interesting to me how these flowers could possibly go beyond the physical symptoms and potentially cure conditions like fears, depression, insecurities, etc. I was still unsure about said benefits and asked myself, how could this help me? What is unique about the flower remedies is that they're not focused on physical ailments or medical issues. Instead, they are focused on emotional concerns such as anxiety, stress, being fearful, and a lack of self-confidence. The idea is that the flower remedies gently restore the balance between mind and body by casting out negative emotions that interfere with your being as a whole. In most countries, flower remedies are marketed not as medicines, but as food supplements. Therefore, there is no legal requirement to demonstrate efficacy and no health claims are permitted. Customers are those attracted to flower remedies with certain expectations, and the question arises whether this has the potential for causing harm to patients. Due to their highly dilute nature, flower remedies are devoid of toxicology. Since flower essences are diluted solutions, they're generally considered safe. But like all remedies, essences can still cause unwanted side effects. Practitioners say this might include skin rashes, fatigue, headache, etc. According to flower therapy, these side effects may happen when the flower essence wakes up your emotions. The effects will allegedly go away within 1 day. Also, most flower essences have a small amount of alcohol. While most practitioners say they're safe if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's still best to use caution. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, please check with your doctor first or use an alcohol-free one. A randomized, pilot, placebo-controlled clinical trial was conducted with the aim of evaluating the effectiveness of a cream based on Bach flower remedies on symptoms and signs of carpal tunnel syndrome. All signs observed showed significant improvements as well as symptoms of pain, night pain, and tingling. The proposed Bach flower remedies cream could be an effective intervention in the management of mild and moderate carpal tunnel syndrome pain. An older 2008 study also found that Bach flower remedies relieved pain. According to the researchers, the therapy helped participants focus on their emotional health rather than the physical pain. They also acknowledged that believing in flower therapy was a factor. Theoretically, if flower essences can reduce anxiety, they may have benefits for pain. That's because anxiety increases your perception of pain, according to a 2019 report. Still, more in-depth research is needed to confirm the benefits of essences for pain. Flower essences may have benefits for anxiety. In a 2020 study, flower therapy reduced anxiety in children at the dentist. An older 2012 study found similar effects in adults with moderate anxiety. According to a 2008 review, flower essences provide energy that balances emotions. However, the studies above fail to mention exactly how the energy works. There's also no scientific proof that this energy exists. More in-depth studies are necessary. How to use flower essences by mouth. Flower essences can be mixed with another liquid like water. Some flower essences are also available in the following forms: chewing gum, dissolvable capsules, fizzy tablets, and much more. On your skin. Some skin creams are made with flower essences. Typically, the product also contains ingredients that are beneficial for the skin. If you're treating pain, you can apply the cream on a specific area. Flower essence bath salts are also available. Flower essences are frequently confused with essential oils. While both are made from plants, there are a number of important differences between the two. Flower essences are a herbal floral infusion, and essential oils are concentrated liquids made from plant compounds. Flower essences. Flowers are submerged in water. Essential oils. Plants are steamed or pressed. Flower essences. The final product does not contain any part of the flower. Essential oils. The final product contains actual compounds from the plants. The takeaway. Some studies say flower essences can ease anxiety and pain, but more research is still needed. There's usually no harm in using them, but most do have a tiny amount of alcohol. Always follow the directions on the product's packaging.